Question and answer. Question: how to effectively organize the evidence accompanied with Form I-140 petition based on EB2 NIW application. To organize evidence for an NIW, National Interest Waiver, application, you should gather all relevant documents, categorize them based on the specific eligibility criteria, and present them in a clear, logical order with tabs and labels, ensuring each piece of evidence directly supports your claim of exceptional ability and national interest contribution. Also, to effectively organize evidence for a national interest waiver application, ensure all documents are clearly labeled, categorized by relevant criteria, like exceptional ability, national interest impact, and significant contributions, and presented in a logical order, typically including a detailed cover letter explaining how each piece of evidence supports your case and aligns with the NIW requirements. The key elements to include are academic transcripts, publications with citation counts, awards, recommendation letters from experts in your field, memberships in professional organizations, and evidence of significant impact on your industry or research area. This includes using certified translations for foreign language documents and highlighting your name within publications or citations to make your work easily identifiable. The key points to consider when organizing NIW evidence include: 1. Categorize by criteria. Group documents based on the three main NIW criteria: exceptional ability, national interest, and substantial merit. 2. Clear labeling. Use tabs or dividers to separate sections and clearly label each document with a descriptive title and corresponding eligibility criteria. 3. Supporting narrative. Write a detailed personal statement that connects each piece of evidence to your overall contributions and how they align with the national interest. You should follow the following tips for how to organize your NIW application evidence. 1. Provide all required documentation and evidence with the NIW application when filed. Form I-140 petitions may be denied without issuing a request for evidence, RFE, in the instances where the required evidence described in the instructions and regulations are not initially provided. If providing photocopies of documents, provide clear legible copies. 2. All foreign language documents must be submitted with a corresponding English translation. The English translation must be certified by a translator who is competent to translate and must verify in writing that the translation is true and accurate to the best of the translator's abilities. It is helpful if the English translation is stapled to the foreign language document. 3. If documenting the alien's publications or citations of the alien beneficiary's work, highlight the alien's name in the relevant articles. It is not necessary to send a full copy of a dissertation, thesis, or research paper written by the alien beneficiary, or one in which the alien beneficiary's work has been cited. Include the title page and the portions that cite the alien's work. 4. Tab and label the evidentiary exhibits at the bottom of the first page of each exhibit, and provide a list of the evidentiary exhibits and the eligibility criteria that each exhibit is submitted to establish for petitions supported by a substantial amount of documentation. An exhibit that is being provided to meet multiple eligibility criteria should be so identified in the exhibit list. The essential evidence to include in your NIW application include: 1. Academic credentials, diplomas, transcripts, and evidence of advanced degrees. 2. Professional experience, detailed resume highlighting key achievements, responsibilities, and career progression. 3. Publications and citations, copies of published works with evidence of citation counts, particularly from reputable journals. 4. Awards and honors, certificates and documentation of prestigious awards received in your field. 5. Letters of recommendation, strong letters from recognized experts in your field detailing your expertise and impact. 6. Presentations and conferences, documentation of presentations at major conferences, including abstracts and slides. 7. Patents and intellectual property, evidence of patents filed or awarded in your name. 8. Professional memberships and leadership roles, documentation of active memberships in relevant professional organizations and leadership positions held. 9. Employment verification, letters from previous and current employers confirming your job duties and accomplishments. Thank you for watching the video. We offer high-quality complete do-it-yourself packages for U.S. green card application and working visa application, and we provide many samples of reference letters, and samples of petition cover letters for U.S. immigration and green card application, and we also let you know the U.S. green card application process and how to get your green card quickly. If you want to apply for a U.S. green card, our website greencardapply.com and complete do-it-yourself packages can help you get green card quickly, even without an U.S. employer sponsorship, and bypass the labor certification process. I hope the audience will give us a thumbs up, provide comments, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, to let the knowledge of U.S. green card application spread to more immigrants, and let YouTube's algorithm recommends our videos to more viewers. For further and detailed information of U.S. green card application, please visit our website www.greencardapply.com. Thank you.